Hey Van Gang, so the unit I will be reviewing in this video is from Dolago Hair. And this is the packaging inside. The wig comes inside of this plastic Ziploc bag. And they also provide you with a wig cap. I believe this wig cap is in the color toffee. And last but not least, they give you an elastic band. So I'm going to get straight into it. This is what the unit looks like. And it's actually a 6-inch deep parting lace front wig, 12 inches, natural black color. It is kinky straight, that's why the hair looks like this. And it is 150% density. It has pre-plucked baby hairs, but you will not be seeing the baby hairs in this video because I just want a bob, just like a simple, quick, get to it bob. So as you can see, I parted it, and I like to put my hair in sections when it's kinky or with any type of hair, but I find that sectioning the hair off is going to make it easier for you to style the hair. Okay, so I'm just doing sections, and I'm flat ironing each section on the highest setting. I had my flat iron sitting for a very long time, so it actually cut off and I did not know. When I flat iron my hair and I want it super bone straight, I like to use a ceramic iron. Okay, and I'll tell you about this flat iron in a because I know y'all gonna ask about what flat iron it is, so I'll tell y'all a little later in the video. But yeah, I'm basically doing the same thing throughout the whole entire hair. I'm just sectioning, and then I'm going in with the flat iron, and then I'm just going through one time. Now I could get it way straighter, but I just want a quick, like, you know, just quick, still coarse a little bit, like kind of like a perm look. Okay, and you could wear the hair any type of way, but I'm just showing you that just because it's kinky, it does not mean it does not get straight. Okay, and I only went through the strands one time, so it could have gotten even straighter if I would have went through one more time, or if I would have did the follow through method where I put the comb first. Okay, and this bob is just looking so bomb already. Like, look at that. Just look how good that looks, and look how much parting space there is. That makes it look even better, in my opinion, when you have a lot of parting space. So I don't like the length, so I am going to go in and cut it a little bit, just a little bit, just a few inches off. It's like 1.5 inches off, which isn't like too much. I just wanted it a little bit shorter and a little bit more even. Nothing crazy. This is something anybody could do. As you can see, I'm into very, very quick styling, but it still looks like I put so much effort into it. So this is something that anybody could do. Okay, so now I'm just going to get my powder, and I'm going to put that on the parting space. I really didn't even need any powder, but I love the color of this powder. It just makes it look even more natural, in my opinion, because my natural scalp is really light. But I like to kind of darken it just a little bit. Okay, and that is basically it. I'm just going to do a few run-throughs on parts that I feel could be straighter, and that's it. So this is the finished product, and we're gonna slow it down, boo. Bam. Look at all that body. Kinky straight hair is the wave. Y'all gotta get your hands on this wig. Stay tuned for the specs. Okay, so this is the end result, and as you can see, it looks really, really natural. It looked like I had a wrap, and I took my natural hair down and just let it hang, doesn't it? Looks really cute. So I'm gonna give you some information on this bob, but before I do, I know y'all gonna ask me what kind of flat iron I use. So this is the H2 Pro Silk flat iron, and I usually use this on all of my hair when I want to get a straight, when I want to get like a silky straight look. Now I could have gotten this even silkier if I used the comb and then followed through with the flat iron, but this time I wanted it to have some body, and I wanted to have a little bit of coarseness to it still. So as you can see, it's still like kind of coarse and thick, but it is pretty much straight. But I definitely could have got it silkier. So if you are looking for a bob like this, I think it's perfect, to be honest with you. So let's get into the specs of this hair. So this is a Dolago hair wig, kinky straight bob, 13 by 6. Because the frontal part is a 13 by 6 and it is 150% density. This wig in particular is Brazilian straight 10A grade hair, and this is a yaki straight short bob. Okay, this is in the natural color, which is 1B black. It's 10 inches. The lace is medium brown, and I have a medium cap, which is 22.5. My head is small, but I used the adjustable straps, and I literally didn't have to go in and sew the elastic band on, and I didn't have to glue it down. As you can see, it's like kind of snug, so I didn't really have to glue anything. So I really love the way this unit looks. I look grown and it looks really sexy in my opinion. If you like this bob, definitely let me know down in the comments. Do you plan to get this hair? Do you like kinky hair? Do you not like kinky hair? Let's talk. I love it. I would definitely recommend it. So I'm gonna leave all the links to Dolago hair as well as this unit down in the bottom bar. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will speak to my next video. Bye y'all.